Have you noticed how the typical car has become smarter significantly over the years? Power folding mirrors, rain sensing windscreen wipers, auto parking sensors, lane keeping systems, and night vision cameras. The list goes on. These are all reliant on semiconductors. Semiconductors? Is that not the thing inside computers and phones? Yes, semiconductor technology is absolutely essential to computers and phones. But as we shall learn in this video, it's also incredibly important in a typical car. Take the example of a collision avoidance system, which contains several radar, radio wave sensors. In each radar sensor, there is a semiconductor chip sending out radio waves and then sensing the returning radio waves continuously. The chip also analyzes patterns in the returning radio waves to decide whether there are any obstructions within the sensing zone. The radar sensor can also estimate the obstruction speed, angle of movement, and elevation. A more advanced sensor, LiDAR, uses light signal instead of radio wave signal. Since light signals are much more directional than radio waves, LiDAR sensors have a much longer sensing range. Semiconductor technology is essential in LiDAR sensors, which contain lasers and low noise light sensors, all made from semiconductors. Whether it's radar or LiDAR, all this sensing and analyzing are carried out by semiconductor chips without physical contact with the obstructions. Therefore, the driver can be alerted in good time, avoiding collision. The car can even be slowed down automatically. It's semiconductor again enabling the electronic control of the car's speed. Electrical systems made out of semiconductors and electrical motors have replaced mechanical systems in several key functions of vehicle controls. In cars with internal combustion engines, switching to electronic engine controls has improved the efficiency of the combustion process, improving fuel economy and reducing harmful emissions. Therefore, the electrification of cars has been happening for years, even in cars running on fossil fuels. Replacing cars powered by burning fossil fuels with electric vehicles, EVs, is crucial in achieving sustainable transportation. Even more semiconductor devices are needed to manufacture EVs. For example, the vital battery system is managed by power electronics made out of semiconductor devices. It maximizes the vehicle's driving range and the battery lifetime. Transfer of electrical power from the battery to the electrical motors that drive the vehicle's movement is also carried out by semiconductor devices. Most of the semiconductor devices used in cars are made from silicon, the most widely used semiconductor material in the world. Alternative semiconductor materials such as silicon carbide and gallium nitride offers better performance than their silicon counterparts in some important electronic systems. They can provide the high voltage required by EVs at high operating temperatures, leading to longer driving range and faster charging for drivers. Large-scale adoption of semiconductor technology in cars has already brought us safer cars. As cars now resemble complex electronic systems with mechanical parts, the importance of semiconductor technology in cars is only going to increase in the future.